So the day has finally arrived and the box is here. I got it from FedEx. I've been waiting forever to get this. Well, not forever, 5 weeks. I mean, I guess that's forever for me. And I got it in the middle of my workday, so I couldn't do anything with it, and I had to sit there and stare at it for several hours before I finally got to bring it out to the garage. Then I got to set up the camera so I can record, blah, 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 blah. I'm super excited. I want to see what's inside of here, see what it looks like. I yet have not seen it yet, so I want everyone to be with me the first time I open it. But before that, let's go ahead and run that intro. Okay, to give you a little bit of history about this, when I got these wheels, I ordered them around March 16th or 17th. I ordered the 13x8 Super Mesh Love with the 12x4 in the front with tires mounted, pre-mounted. I didn't want to have to go through the stuff of mounting it because I don't have the tools and nor do I have the resources to find someone who could do it for me. So I went ahead and had him do that. Not a big deal because I also bought the tires to come. Second, when I ordered it with the black spikes in the wheels and then the black lug nuts. And when I did that, I accidentally ordered silver. And with the customer service that Dorby provides, he saw that and thought, well, I don't know. Maybe he didn't want that. Maybe that was an accident. So he called me to confirm. And here's that little bit that I recorded the day that happened because I was so impressed. Okay, so I'm recording this now so that I can communicate this in the future. I just ordered the Dorbyworks 13x8 and 12x4 Mesh Love wheels with all the trimmings, and I ordered the polished rims with the black spike lug nuts and the black spike screws that go around the edge. And I guess I had accidentally ordered the silver spikes. I didn't know that. So as a testament to Dorby's customer service, as soon as I ordered it, literally 15 minutes later, he called me and is like, look, I got your order. You ordered the silver spikes though, but you got black spikes for the wheel, the edge around the edge of the wheel. Is that what you meant to do? And I'm like, oh no, I didn't. I meant to get the black spikes. I guess I ordered the wrong thing. So if there's anything from this video that you should get about Dorby, is that he has customer service. He will double check your order if he sees something that doesn't look right. He's not just gonna fill it and send it and then give you problems later on where you have to contact him later on. It saves him time and it saves you time. Sorry, and it saves you time. Just thought I'd record this now while it's fresh in my mind so that I can communicate it to you. Anyways, back to the video. Okay, so after that, we got it straightened out. He went ahead and shipped out the motor mount because I did get the 14-inch stance mount and all the hubs and everything that comes with it. So he had that already in stock or already set up, so he went ahead and sent that to me. First thing I had to do was take off the old mount. So I spent some time taking off the old mount. It didn't take too long to take it off, but while I had it off, I went ahead and did some cleanup on some wiring, wiped some stuff down, touched up some paint some places on the motor and stuff like that. But you know, all in all, I had to do it anyway, and I didn't have the wheels yet, so I went ahead and did it then, which worked out perfect. Maybe a little bit too early because it took me a little bit while to get the rims after that, but it's okay. I also took a look at the rear hub and it was silver. I've noticed those rear hubs after a while, they start to have a little bit of corrosion. Not necessarily corrosion, but they build up a film on them and they start to look dirty. They don't look, and they're really hard to clean because it's behind the wheel, so it's really hard to get your hand back there to clean that hub off. So I went and powder coated it, and I was gonna powder coat it black. I sprayed it, did all sorts of cool stuff with it. I prepped it and powder coated it to the best of my ability. The whole time I thought I was powder coating it black. Unfortunately, I read the description wrong on the bag that I used and I put black chrome. In the end, the black chrome looks good. It doesn't matter, it's going to be hidden behind there. And the good part about having it powder coated is that it should wipe off and then show less corrosion. Dirt should be easier to take off there than any type of staining that will happen through weather and, you know, acid rain. I don't know. whatever happens on there. So after all that, I went ahead and mounted the hub in the back, and then I did all the test fitting in the front for the front hub and did all the adjustments. Playing around with it, I did spray paint the front hub, and it doesn't look super awesome. I didn't want to have to take the bearings out to powder coat it, so I mean, it still looks pretty good. It's not going to be the focus. People are going to be looking at the wheels and not the hub. Maybe one day I'll take it off and redo the hub as a powder coat if I decide to, but I'm really iffy about the bearings on there. Anyways, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and start opening this box. All right, in an effort to be transparent about what I did, I had opened this, and then my mic was not plugged in, and I did get any audio at all, not even on-camera audio that I could use. So here we are with the the box. It's already been opened, but let's go over through this process. So the first thing I did when I opened it, there was bubble wrap, cardboard like you would expect, and then there is the 12x4 Dorby Mesh Love wheel. It looks absolutely amazing on here. What's interesting is that if you look right here, for the stem, he gives you like a chromed out or a stainless or something stem down here. What's cool about that is it's not black and it doesn't stand out on the wheel, and it kind of just matches with everything. Front wheel I got is a 110/60/12. 110/60/12. So for those of you who want to know the wheel sizes that I use, this is it. Still got all the nubs. I love it. Can't wait to put it on. Then there was another layer, and then inside this layer was the packaging. Came with the receipt, another package of stickers, regular, holographic, and some other stickers that come in here, same as I got in the other package. And then a Dorby key tag says "Bring the Ruckus" with the Dorby logo on the back. And then a giant Dorby logo, which probably will make it onto my car. We'll see if I have room. Then you get to the rear wheel. Look at this rear wheel. 13x12 with a 140/60/13 in the back. 140/60/13. Now it came with this BBS thing in the middle, but I could take that out. I'm probably going to custom make a logo for my small engine velocity and put it in here. And yeah, this thing's huge. I'm pretty sure that I'll have trouble fitting this with the oil thing on the back, the dipstick. I think I've seen other people where they have to shave it off. We'll see. What's cool is he mounted them, and inside the mounting, he put balancing beads on both wheels. Hear that? There's balancing beads in here. And then same with the front wheel. Balancing beads, you can hear them. It's like I'm playing with an Etch-a-Sketch. Alright, so the only drawback that I can find so far is, while these wheels are polished, I can see some spots where I can still see some kind of scratchy marks on here, where it could be just dirt, but I'll have to wipe it down to see if that's exactly what it is. But yeah, this also has a silver tab on the inside here. Now, this thing is humongous. So I'll put it back in here, because these are not going on today. It will go on later, whenever I have time, because I have to do some kid stuff today. So out of straight impatience, I went ahead and took the bolts off here to see if I could get it to fit on now. But I do need to grind the oil thing down. It needs like this much more to get across, and unfortunately I need to grind that down. And I think I've seen other people grind that down before. As long as I don't grind further than the bottom thread, then I should be okay to grind that down. Problem is, now what do I use for a cap, I guess? Well, we'll figure it out. That's what this whole thing's all about, is to figure out how I can make it look the way it's supposed to look. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next video I will be doing on this is the installation, and I won't separate the test ride from that. I'll make it all one video. I wish I could do this all at one time, but it's supposed to rain this weekend, and I don't have the time to be able to finish this, unfortunately. I'm on call this weekend. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see everybody in the next video.